Back at it again when I'm my turn, y'all know. Okay, so today I'm doing a taste test to the Crystal Pepsi. I saw people do it, but I don't really know how to taste, but I know what people said it tastes like, so let's get started. It smells just like Pepsi. It does. It smells just like Pepsi. Let me taste it. This is Pepsi. This is Pepsi. I swear. This tastes just like Pepsi. Just the clear kind. This is Pepsi. I don't know why they made it a clear kind. It's Pepsi. Believe me. Taste it if you ever see it at a store. It's Pepsi. It really is Pepsi. If you don't believe me, taste it out on your own, okay? Because it's Pepsi. If it wasn't Pepsi, if it didn't taste like Pepsi, I wouldn't drink it. I'm not stupid. I'll be like, ew! Put it to the side, never drink it again. And I spent $125 on it. So, yeah. So if you ever see Crystal Pepsi, the white kind, it says, look, it says clear cola. That's what it says, clear cola. So Pepsi tastes just like Coca-Cola, right? So this is actually what it is, Coca-Cola, Pepsi. And it tastes just like Pepsi. So if you don't believe me, go to the store, spend $125 on it, taste it. Tastes like Pepsi. If you don't like soda, too bad. I don't care. Peace out though. Nah. But my next video would be, I have no idea, but yeah, so. Now you want to taste this? Watch this. I'll give you a little bit because she barely likes soda. I'm showing you on YouTube. Look at my mother. Peeps. Here, taste it. Watch, I'm gonna get you on camera. I'll see your reaction.
Pepsi.
Told you. It tastes like Pepsi, right? I don't even know why they made a crystal one, and it's the same thing. It's just clear. It don't make no sense to me. But my next video will be like in 5 days. No, my next video will be like in a year. No, I'm just playing. I don't know what my next video will be, but it'll be soon. What I'm saying. Just stay active. So, peace out. Yeet. Ah. Peace out. Yeet. Okay, I don't want to leave for some reason. Now I'm just playing. Peace out. Yay! Got him again. Alright, sorry. Got him. I know nobody's ready for this, so everybody look at it, so. So if you ever see this at the store, pick it up quick before it be sold out. Because there was only 2 left. Now there's only 1 left because I took no. There was only 1 left and I took the last one. I know. Peace out. Peace out. Oh, subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends about me. Wait. So, yeah, definitely like my video. Definitely subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends about me. Peace out.